So these are the lockdown secured panels. And if you haven't seen this, I'm gonna post a card right up here on the screen. Go check out the full review. But I just built a new shop, and inside the new shop is my new reloading bench. All right, now I just built this today. It's Father's Day. Happy Father's Day for those of you who have kids. I've got the lockdown secure panels. I got a bunch for the back of the workbench here. I've got a Frankfurt Arsenal reloading kit. More to come on this very soon. The Tipton gun vise. This is the gun vise 360. This thing is pretty sick. You're gonna wanna see this. Stay tuned for that. But today we're gonna look at this AR15 kit from Lockdown. All right, so this is the AR15 kit. All right, you can see I have a PWS mounted on here currently. It comes with a 4-inch by 24-inch lockdown panel. It also comes with this magwell adapter that you see right here. Now the magwell adapter can be mounted in one of two orientations. So the orientation that you see here, or it can be mounted so that the magwell is sideways and the firearm would mount more of in this position here. I'm gonna go ahead and mount it this way, and I can pull it straight off of the attachment there. Now, you see this little plug right here? I'm gonna pull it up from this side. See this little plug there? There's one on the other side also. And you notice I didn't have to disengage the mag release button in order to pull it off. If I take the plug out on the other side, now it locks in and you have to disengage the mag button in order to release it. All right, now you might want to secure this so that one of your kids can't just come up and lift it off, all right? What you also have the option to purchase is this piece that you see underneath here, which is a lock, okay? So it kind of acts almost like an M-lock where it fits into the slot, it turns and it locks behind it. And then you can take your cable lock through the handguard, and now it's locked to the wall unless you cut this cable lock. Now that lock piece there is separate. I'll post a link to where you can get that also. But the kit does also come with this lower module that you see here that holds 3 AR-15 magazines. All right, so I brought it back over and mounted it up behind the workbench here. You can see this piece, and it comes with that 4-inch section, but lockdown panels come in many different widths and various sizes, so go to the website, check those out. And they also have a website. Don't you fall. They also have a builder on their website. So there's this app where you can size out your room and you can figure out, in fact, that's exactly what I did here because I've got 4 feet here, 8 feet here, and I was able to get exactly 4 by 8 by using the builder. So anyway, I'm gonna put links in the description below to Lockdown, check them out. And if you wanna see more about Frankfurt Arsenal, the Tipton vise that I have over here, and how this reloading bench comes to life, make sure you're subscribed. That's it, guys. Lots more content to come. I appreciate your time watching as always, and I'll see you in the next one.